Hi, my name's Khalil. Welcome back. Thank you for subscribing for those 3 other videos. Today we're gonna be doing some new toys. If you don't know my name is Khalil.
And who is this?
And he is a beard. And here are the new toys that we have. And also we finally got Owlette.
Nice. And who's this one?
We have Catboy, Owlette, and Gecko. And here are the ropes that they have. Gecko has a hiking one. They all have hiking ones. See? Gecko has a green string, Catboy has a blue, and Owlette has a red. Because she's red. And this one blue, and this is how they all go back. Now you can
Tell me more about them.
And we got these from Target when we were getting my grandma. I mean from Corliss.
Oh, take them out. Tell me, can they come out?
Yes, they can. And this is how they look like on the old. And they can fit on the old ones.
Why does he have camera?
What?
What's this?
Oh, this is from the one. This is from the new one. And here's the first guy. Second person. And this one. And I can show you if they fit on the old ones, but we can't. Can we?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm really Gecko. Here's the cat car. And they all fit. See, he drives. He goes there. But next to Owlette. And Owlette goes next to Gecko.
Can you drive it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Are they chasing who?
No, they're chasing. They have to see the day. So like this goes right here. Pretend this is pretend over here. Pretend over here is the Gecko over here. This is their headquarters. Okay, because the headquarters are like this store. Okay. Right here, they're like this is the right now. And they're like this. And they're like.
Khalid, get out the way, Amir. They don't go far. Safety day.
And then when they turn into superheroes, this is what they do to turn into superheroes.
Look at me.
This is what they do.
Okay, Khalid.
They all put one hand in the middle of them.
I mean, what are you doing?
Okay, look.
Come here. Flip them. Turn them around. Turn them to the camera. See them. Are they fighting?
And they're putting their hands in the middle because they're gonna turn into superheroes. They say what did they say?
What do they say, guys?
Into the night, we save the day.
Nice.
The night to save the day.
Uh,
The night to save the day.
Khalid. Khalid. Look.
Bye. And thanks for subscribing. Press on that red button right here
To give you a
thumbs up and subscribe. See
nice.
these other videos.
Absolutely.
I wasn't cool. Bye.